your hands up. Money free, money top. Anything we say, you can do. Hey, so I say you can do everything. Hey, any pussy that we beat them, I go get. Walking for it, we know you know how we can. It's a movie, that's it. And that's it, right? Money top. Kingston. Spend all the money coming up. Put up your hands up. You got me. Jump. Put up your hands and jump. Hey! I just got to say, hold up here on it. She want to roll it. Surprise them. Sweet. Ladies, I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm a real bad man, level. I'm a bad man. So if me and you just go say a bad man, I fuck you. You understand? And when I see you, know I'm going to say to you, bubble your body for the up-top boss. That man fuck you, baby, up-top boss. Jump up in the belly like say you're up-top. Me and that boss and me get up-top boss. Just give me down, bring me fuck that man. Put that to your friend them. Because you love crazy against you. Take your time, all right, buddy. No. Because you love. Yo, give me a play. Let's go with this one, yeah? Level. That's it, because, see? Anybody have a real friend or pastor, put up an answer. Hold on the line, bro. You know, she makes us a person who make it all. Just when the walk is street, me no step it all. Some gonna be quiet when you put it on. Don't go out my day, I'm gonna get pushed up. Don't want to bring them down, you know, she makes us a person who make it all. Suddenly, pen palm, so make it push on. Yeah. R.I.P. to me. He's still there. Smoke the high-grade weed and a drink and a sleep and down. One evil is a bringing them free when I rise in the man. Then some of his heart of his seal. Give me something. Level. Get on you. The whole of we are get on you. See? You see a morning. I wish everybody in yourself rich. I just wish when we wake up rich. Mama tell me the race is not for this week, but and you can't tell me no more. and pick me. Any boy I murder a woman and pick me, say dead. Whoa! Whoa, you feel it on front. Can't keep up back. See me for the woman. Never take contact. Run to the sleep. If you inform of your dead, say dead. One answer them. You should have seen a sample. Read this up. Over this up. You up this up. Run this up. Don't tell them this. Raise him at the top.